Okay. Credits to Khan Academy for the material. This is the revision of all writing conventions. MashaAllah. Okay. Yassine? We have two indicators. Okay. Yassine, the first one is inventing, will invent, had invented, invents. It seems that this is subject verb agreement or tenses. Are we dealing with agreement or tenses? Tenses. What's the difference between those tenses? The first one, present progressive, something is happening.
Second is future, and the fourth is present.
This is present.
Past.
Yes. Past perfect. And the last one, present simple. Okay. Why did you choose? You told me that you have two indicators. Do you remember when do we use past perfect?
We have present simple, and then comes up with
Present simple?
past.
If we have two actions in the what?
Past.
Yes. After I had studied, comma, I went to the club. Here we have two actions, the action of studying and the action of going to the club. What happened first, Yassine? Number one, this is action number one. It's the first action, so it has to be in the past perfect. Past perfect had plus past participle. The second action is going to the club. That's why it's in the past simple. Okay. You told me that in 1881, whatever they would redesign, this is past simple. Yes. Increased the amount of electricity, still past simple, but here you said 15 years earlier. Earlier means this is action number what? Number one, the first action. So the first action
Comes as
past perfect, so it has to be had invented. 15 years earlier, do the math. So 1881 minus 15. 18 what? 1881 minus 15. Sure. Oh, okay. Thank you. So 1866, they had invented. This is the first action, and the second action can increase or redesigned. Okay, let's move to the second question. Omar, makes, make, have, are. Do you have a pattern here? Make the verb without S plural. Have plural, are plural. This is singular, so I choose the different, but also I need you to tell me where the simple subject is. If you want to get the simple subject, you need to get rid of prepositional phrases, relative clauses, interrupters, separators, between commas, between dashes, between hyphens. Sorry, so the simple subject here is what? Yes, the venom. Very good. Of the This is prepositional phrase, so I have to trim it to get rid of it. And I have a non-essential clause between two commas. I also need to get rid of it. So venom singular, so it has to be makes. I know that you can do it, you can answer it without going back to the text, but I believe, yes, I believe that you also need to get the simple subject to make sure that you are on the right track. Okay. Abdullah, you want to say A. I want to go through the sentence, please, and tell me. Or here are the differences. To join, is it a finite verb? Is it a normal verb? It's non-finite. Yes. Why did you choose a non-finite verb here? Where's the subject of the sentence? Ellen, this is the subject. Is there a finite verb here for her? For Ellen? What is, yes, very good. Left. This is a finite verb. Okay, since we have a finite verb here, when do we put here another non-finite verb? لو عندي هنا ايه؟ and. لا and. لو هنا في and, we would have chosen a another finite verb. لكن هنا ما عنديش and already في left اللي هي finite. So in this case, I need a non-finite verb. طيب, so the only non-finite verb here is to join. She left her position to join. Left to join. Thank you. Let's move to number 4. Yes, your answers, please, my friends, all of you. We have a beat. Are we dealing here with tenses or agreement? Tenses. We're dealing with the tenses. Okay. You chose the present simple. Why? Okay. My friends, let's listen. If you say recent years have created, يا جماعة, recent and have created. If you have recently, lately, since, for, long, for long, for centuries, for decades. These are indicators of the present perfect. Present perfect, which is what? Have, has, or plus past participle. Past participle. Have, has, plus past participle. Do you remember when do we use the present perfect? Abdullah? Yes? Excellent. Started in the past and ended, no. It lasted or continued for a specific period of time. In recent years, this is the present perfect, my friends. This is now, this is the future, and this is the past. When I say in recent years, economists around the world have created present perfect, have created new tools. It started in the past and it continued for years, for specific time. That's why here we have present what? So when do we use the present perfect? Something or an action started in the past and continued for some time or extended for some time. If you have this, you need to put the verb like that. Have, has, plus past participle. In recent years, they have created. If you say created past simple, it happened one time and it's over. This is the past simple. Have created, so the process of creation started in the past and continued for a period of time or for an extended time. Is it clear? Do you understand the difference, the meaning of present perfect? Yes. Okay. Let's go to the other sentence, the other sentence. Economists in India, for example, where's the verb here? Use. What is the tense here? Why did the tense change? Use. What is the tense here? This is what? Yes. No way. No way. Present simple. Why? Why did we use the present simple here? My friend, when do we use the present simple? That's present simple. When do we use the present simple? When? Omar? It's not an indicator. For example, is not an indicator. When do we use the present simple? Yes. Now, just at the moment of speaking. No. How do you go to school, my friends? I go to school what? When? Only now, in the future, or also in the past? Present simple for facts, habits, science, scientific facts, or routines. So economists in India use the index. This is present what? Because they're still using it and they will continue using it. This tool, space, measured or measures, blah, blah, blah. Measures, because it's what? It's present simple. Will it change? Can I say measured? Yani in the past, it measured. Now it measures and it will measure. This is the present simple. Facts, science, facts, habits, routines, use the present simple, the verb with I, we, I play, but she play or she plays? She plays. ده يا جماعة, this is the present perfect. طيب the present simple. Present simple. When I say I go to school by bus, or the sun rises in the morning. Is it only in the past? In the past, also now, and in the future. When I say this tool, okay, is it clear? Next. Has enabled, enable is enabling, enables. B, why? Lighter. Yes, plural, singular, singular, that's the only one. Type, okay, and the subject here is what? Tools, tools plural, so tools enable, subject and verb. This is a finite or an infinite verb? Finite verb. Okay, let's move to Abdullah. This question, I want you to tell me, there is a clue. Can you tell me the differences between them? Again, معلش, C and D, none, finite, none, finite. My brother, suspending, is it a finite verb? Can I say I suspending, I playing, or I play? It's still none finite. It's not a verb. I cannot say I playing. This is wrong. I need a finite verb, play. I cannot say I to play. Wrong, I play. So if the verb is preceded by to, we call it non-finite. If the verb ends with ing without being preceded by am is are, it's also what? Non-finite. Why did he use a finite verb? And you have, go to the beginning of the sentence. What is the subject of the sentence? No, start from the sentence. He is the subject. Do you have a finite verb for it? Very good. Apply. But why this is a finite? Why do you need another finite verb here? Bravo. Because of what? And. So if the space is preceded by and, you need two finite verbs, which is what? Suspended. Let's move. Yes. Let's move. Abdullah? And the others? A and C, okay. We have A and C. It's not singular and plural. These are tenses. Singular and plural, that's different. Tenses. This is past simple, future, present simple, and this is present progressive, or something is happening now. طيب هنا بيقول لي he's talking about the tree. We need to search for another verb. Where is the other verb, Abdullah? Another verb. Shiny is an adjective. I need another verb. Another verb. Another verb. يعني دي يعني هو am is are was were not verbs. هم دول ايه prepositions يعني عشان صغيرين فانتوا مش معترفين بيهم يعني لازم اروح لاخر الدنيا عشان اختار. وهاز دي يعني ملهاش نفس يعني. Okay. Is and has. This is what, which tense? Which tense? Is and has, which tense? Present simple. Okay. We have also is here. There is something else. The meaning here, يا جماعة, we are talking about a tree. But it's a fact. This is scientific. Yes. Scientific fact. So scientific facts, we use the present what? Present simple. Clear? Okay, let's move. Bismillah.